Hi students, this is a small tutorial to show you how to book your meeting with your mentor during this Design Hackathon 2022. You can see that link at the bottom. That's the website we're going to use, picktime.com/dh22. So if you click on that link, picktime.com/dh22, you will go to the section where I will show you how to book a meeting, how to check your meeting link, and also to check your mentor's contact information. So if you click on this link you see here, picktime. Or rather enter this link here in the URL, picktime.com/dh22. These are the different sections that you will be participating in. So you can choose the section, obviously, that you are participating in, fashion, film, whatever it may be. For an example, I will show you this category. I'm calling it my design category. You go in here and let's say you want a meeting for 2:30 in the afternoon on the 13th. So you click on that, you enter your name, enter your team number 108, and you can just, if you want to put on a note, meeting, and you can book an appointment, right? Now, once you come here, this is important. You will get your meeting link out here. Can you see this? Your Google Meeting link. So just before your meeting, you can log into that link. Also, very important out here, you will see your mentor's name, your mentor's number, and the institute. So just in case you're having a problem getting in touch with your mentor, you can get this information from here. Thank you.